guys, it's Loretta with Sparrowhawker Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my page for Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. This is for May. I am kind of behind on her so long. So for the month of May, the prompts were your favorite color and a bird. And I didn't want to do a bird similar to the birds that I'm doing in Bird Song, so I thought that I would, just do something completely different. And I don't really have a favorite color because I just love all colors. Anytime I try to pick a favorite, I'm always like, oh yeah, but I really like this other one, So, about the only colors I don't really care for are black and white, to be honest. I like using black and white as an accent here and there, but otherwise, those are kind of the only two colors I don't really care for, So, my background is actually an old piece of a quilt top, which is just like, they were like these little 1-inch squares pieced together. And so I took that and put it on my background fabric, and then put my bird down and put this little ruffle around it. This is from an old napkin. It's an applique flower. There's some laces and trims here, and I did some cross stitch there and feather stitch, some borrow stitch. In here on the pink, I embroidered that down, and then I went through and took like a silk thread and I don't know how to explain it. I kind of wove it in between all the stitches just to kind of give it a little bit of a raised texture. And then there are some seed beads that match the thread perfect. Like, you can't tell one from the other unless you're looking at it really close. Seed beads and some lazy daisies, etc., etc. So I will hold this up so you can try to see it. I know I had somebody ask if I could just zoom in, because obviously it would be a lot sturdier than me holding it. But I don't know how to zoom in on my phone when I'm actually recording a video. Like, I can zoom in when I take pictures, but I can't really zoom in when I'm taking the video. I haven't learned how to do that yet. I am an amateur. But yes, that would definitely be the better way to show this to you. So I'm working on it. I'm going to look up, see if I can find a couple videos that will show me how to zoom in on my phone when it's recording. So anyway, next month for June, I believe her prompts are a piece of hand-dyed fabric or painted fabric. So I'm going to use my red cabbage fabric that turns out purple. And a heart was the other prompt, so I'm probably going to use these 2 hearts. I don't really want to cover up this because I really like that. I love that this is kind of falling apart, but I might put some lace or trim right here. And I don't think I'm going to do a collage background. Because I just really love this purple, I think I'm going to leave it just like it is, and I'm just going to stitch it all. And I think I will maybe bling up the hearts instead of the background. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, so that should be June. I'm very, very, very behind on all of that. So yeah, so just a refresher. Here's my cover. It got bent. I gotta iron it. It's my cover. This was January, February, March, April, May, and then this will be June. So, yeah. All right, guys. I should be on pretty soon with a video for my next birdsong page. You guys, you do not have to, keep up with me on whenever I do those. If it takes you 3 or 4 months to do them, that is fine with me. Anyway, so that is that. All right, guys, I think that was everything. All right, so I'll talk to you later. Bye.